Nyamika, let's come to you because we play out exactly what the former External Affairs Minister Salman Khurshid has said. He's been speaking to the reporters and has informed about the briefing, and Khurshid has said that there was no mediation involved between India and Pakistan, and whatever happened between the two nations, these remarks were critical, especially at the time when their own leadership from the Congress has been seeking to corner the government over Trump's claim of mediation and ceasefire. Later, when Khurshid was quoted by news agencies saying that whatever question was asked from him, he answered that.
किसी किस्म का हस्तक्षेप कहीं नहीं था, कहीं मध्यस्थता नहीं थी, लेकिन जब विश्व में ऐसी चीज होती है तो अलग अलग लोग प्रयास करते हैं कि कुछ संदेश दें, कुछ कहें, कुछ पहुंचाएं, लेकिन जो कुछ भी हुआ है वो दोनों देशों के बीच में ही हुआ है। एस्केलेट हुआ था मामला तो हमारे बीच का था, जब खत्म हुआ, समाप्त हुआ तो हमारे बीच का समाप्त हुआ। पाकिस्तान डीजीएमओ की ओर से पहल हुई, उन्होंने ये कहा कि इसको हम समाप्त करें। हमने कहा कि आप समाप्त करने के तैयार हैं तो कर दीजिए, 5 बजे समाप्त हो। देश में राजनीति है, जो देश में हमारा अधिकार है, दायित्व है, वो अलग है। देश के बारे में बाहर जाकर जो बोलना है वो अलग है।
Now, whatever as far as when it comes to the individuals who would be now traveling, as far as our parliamentarians are concerned, those who have had an understanding of diplomatic, outreach, and of course top bureaucrats are concerned, they have knowledge, they are aware how diplomacy works. Now, this is not something where an area that needs to be politicized in an effect that brings certain questions to Operation Sindoor, our government and our forces.
Well, Amita, firstly, I would like to mention here that it was later on being clarified on the part of Mr. Salman Khurshid that he has been misquoted by the news agencies, and that's the reason why he had categorically mentioned that the reporters there within the parliament had asked him that what was the stand of the government of India, what all briefing was being done in the yesterday's meeting where all the members of this all-party delegation were being present, and for that reason, Mr. Salman Khurshid had given this statement that the government of India had informed him that there was no interference from a third party, and it was a bilateral decision which was being taken to announce ceasefire between India and Pakistan. However, Salman Khurshid has also mentioned that how the foreign secretary has briefed them about the Operation Sindoor, saying that it was firstly the Pakistan's DGMO which had initiated for the talks, and that is the reason why India has also accepted that this war should be stopped. So that is the reason why
Salman Khurshid, the statement that was given by Salman Khurshid first, he says that he had only answered to the question that the reporters were asking because he was briefed on Operation Sindoor, what the government has said. This is the clarification that later came in from the top Congress leader. Nyamika Yawar, for the moment, thank you very much for joining it. Back after a short break, you're watching Times Now.